In the car on the way to the city. In the morning it was foggy on the windscreen. We talked about the day ahead, and shouldn't we just run away instead? We started to believe our dreams, and I just kept driving right past the exit, throwing our cell phones out of the window, yelling at the city, goodbye, we won't miss you. I knew now that our life's on track, as I felt the strength down in my bones come back. You smiled at me and I hit you, 'cause this is all we ever wanted to do. So to the south now with our hearts alive and our heads free of worry that our lives provide. Off far in the distance, almost out of sight. Goodbye to city days, so long to city nights. So believe in every word we say. I drove on until the break of day. The smile stretched from my ears to yours. There's nothing a bit of fresh breeze won't cure. Go on, you said, drive on.